I'm all about saving money and repairing what I got. So when I get a flat and my inner tube in my bike here, instead of just going out and buying a brand new one, have this here kit. This is a tire repair kit. So this kit here has everything that you need here. It has different size patches, 3 different sizes of those there. It does, of course, have the glue for repairing it. And then this is the part that I really do like. This is the removal tool. And I like things that are very well made. These things are very, very durable. If I'm pushing on it here, it's not bending at all. So you don't have to worry about putting this in and it snapping or anything like that or bending on you. Let's show you up close here. This is the part where you can get into the tire. This goes right up in there. The hook here is really cool. That's what hooks on to the spoke like that. So that way you can use both your hands and not have to worry about holding this the whole time. So very, very convenient tool. Does come with 2 of them, so that way you can get and hold open a little bit larger area. So as you can see, it does come in a smaller package here. You can throw this into your backpack or something if you're going out on a mountain bike trip. You won't have a new inner tube out there, but you can pack this with you and repair it. You can get back to riding your bike and get back off those trails with ease.